Hello, very good morning. This is Nishit and you are watching English with Nishit. I'll give you some tips for improving your spoken English. Friends, in this particular video, I will give you 7 important tips by which you can improve your spoken English. The first and the most important thing is that practice speaking regularly. The more you practice speaking English, the more confident you will become. Try to speak English with a native speaker, friends or family members. That will help you to get more confidence and you can become a perfect speaker. That for speaking English, practice is more important. That next is what? Listen to the native speakers. Listen to English by the help of podcasts. Need to watch the TV shows, need to watch film, listen to the music in English. These all things will help you to improve yourself in speaking. Right, and that is very important. Must try to listen to the people, those who are native. It means listen to the native speakers. That is the most important thing by which you can improve your spoken English. And the third, that need to use the common used phrases. Need to use the phrases by which you can improve your spoken English. That memorize commonly used phrase and express to help you in everyday use. And try to use that particular phrases in everyday conversations. That will help you to improve your English on the next level. And the fourth, that is most important thing, that work on your pronunciation. Friends, pronunciation plays very important role in English. If you are not confident with your English and if you are not speaking well, if your pronunciation is not good, if you are not pronouncing the word in a proper way, then what will happen? Then you are unable to become a good speaker. But pay attention how native speakers produce the sound and how they speak. Focus on the pronunciation by which you can improve your English. That is the fourth point. The fifth point is that don't be afraid to commit mistakes. Of course, committing mistakes is a part of life. If you don't commit mistakes, you never learn. If you want to improve your English, must commit mistakes. And after committing mistakes, you can improve your English and you can be a perfect speaker. And the third is what means next, that is the sixth point. I gave you the fifth point, that is don't be afraid. And I think so this is the first point also. Means if you are counting the points, it means to say that if you are afraid, then you can't become a good speaker. I like to tell you one thing. If you are trying to learn something, suppose that if you are learning driving, and meanwhile what happens, you feel that if I drive bike or if I drive car and I got accident, then you never learn how to drive it. So for driving, it is important to sit to drive, and same while at the time of speaking something, you will have to be confident. And if you are committing mistakes, don't worry about it, right? And try to keep on practicing. And once you are started practicing, you can be a perfect speaker, right? The sixth point: use English every day, right? In every situation. That try to use English in every situation, like ordering food, the talking with the customer care, right? With your friends, colleagues, family members, friends, those who want to speak, right? Make a group of the friends, those who want to speak, sit with them and try to speak English with them, which will help you to improve your English communication, right? But these are the important tips by which you can improve your English. And the seventh point, that is the most important point, is what? Join English group. That find out the people, those who are trying to learn, sit with the learners, and because they are also they are also trying to learn, sit with them and try to speak English with them. Make a group and try to practice English with them, by which you can improve your spoken English. For speaking, means if you want to improve your spoken English, what is important? Important is what? If you must try to find out such a group, you must try to find out such a people, those who are really want to improve their English. And if you sit with them, they will also try to improve with their English. They will encourage you. They will also try to find out the potential by which they can speak and by which you can speak. So these all are the steps plays very important role for speaking English, right? Remember these all 7 tips and try to follow these all 7 tips every day, by which you can improve your English. Remember one thing: practice makes a man perfect. Keep on practicing and you will become a confident speaker. Thank you so much. Good luck. If you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe it and try to give your valuable comments. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.